This is the Lucky Flower Recipe Resin Pour that my friend Mo from Germany created. It uses Art Pro Resin. I mixed up 12.5 ounces, and for this pour you take 3 cups of equal amounts. She had grams, but I work in ounces. So I have white, black, and hooker green, that's the color, in 1.76 ounces of each. The white is Casting Craft, and I did 14 drops in that 1.76 ounce. The hooker green was 11 drops plus 2 drops of black in the 1.76 ounce, and the black was just 11 drops by itself. The 4th cup has 1.24 ounces of yellow azo, 11 drops, and the 5th cup was 1.06 ounces of purple mica. You start this pour by pouring the first color, the green, in the bottom. Then you take your second color, which is my yellow, and you do 6 large drops around the outside. You're not supposed to go into the center, but I end up going into the center because I never follow a recipe correctly. On top of the yellow drops, I did the purple mica drops, and now I'm doing black drops on top of that. Then comes the purple mica again. What I found doing this is my crystal edges are so big that the colors started leaking and bleeding into the edges, which started making the design go kind of wonky. I'm taking the yellow here and filling those dots again, and then black again on top of the yellow. As you see, it's bleeding off on one side more than the other. So of course, I go off recipe and just add some more in the center. And I just ended up doing purple and yellow because I think I ran out of the other colors. Although I do take the black and go around the top edge. That was one part of the recipe. After you're done with that, you take your white in the piping bag and make 3 sets of loops around the outside edge, not going into the center. I should note that I did wait for my resin to heat up to 34 degrees Celsius, so the colors didn't move that quick. Then you take a little bit of the white and put it in the center. I don't remember Mo having a calculation for that, so I just guessed at it. And then the final thing is the push. And the push is whatever's left from after you mix your colors. And I have a little bit of glitter glass there that's going in the center. Now we wait for the magic to happen. I love the way this piece looks on the back. It's a beautiful flower. The front turned out nice, not as nice as Mo's, but still pretty with the purples and the greens. Let us know what you think in the comments below.